Hello, I'm Rachel. I work in water efficiency at Scottish Water, and I'm going to tell you how to attach your kitchen tap Aerator that you can get in your free water saving pack from Scottish Water. This is compatible with most kitchen mixer taps as long as the nozzle is detachable so that you can just slot it in at the bottom. It's not compatible with some older taps unfortunately, so just check whether you can detach the bottom of the nozzle first before you order. All you have to do then is attach this little screw-in bit here at the top of the tap Aerator into the nozzle of your existing tap like this. Like so, and then the tap has two settings, a stronger one and a more rinse effect one, and I'll just show you what that looks like now. That's the more rinse effect, and that's the stronger effect. So on this tap the threads are on the inside, but if you remove the nozzle of your kitchen tap and the threads are on the outside of the tap, all you have to do is remove this black adapter ring here by just unscrewing it like so, and then you'll be able to screw on your tap Aerator over the threads like that.